Hey there, my friends. Let us cut straight to the chase. If you've ever looked down at your carpet and thought, wow, I should probably just set this rug on fire and start over, then you're going to want to stick with me for the next few minutes. Because today I'm diving deep, literally, into the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, Model 3588F. Yes, it's a mouthful, but trust me, this upright deep cleaner might just be the lifesaver your carpets, your sanity, and honestly your wallet have been waiting for. And don't forget, if you want to read the full breakdown, the full article is linked in the description and the very first comment below, so check it out after this video. Now, let's talk about what makes this machine more than just another carpet shampooer. First off, I live with pets, lots of pets. And let's be real, cats and dogs are adorable bundles of joy. Until they're not. Accidents happen, fur piles up, and sometimes, the smell makes you wonder if you actually live inside a petting zoo. But here's the kicker. With this BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution, I was able to erase all traces of those accidents on my beige carpet. No magic, no Photoshop, just powerful cleaning. This cleaner is built for pet parents. And that's not just marketing fluff. It is equipped with a Dual DirtLifter PowerBrush system. Translation: it pulls up stuff you didn't even know was there. The first time I used it, I was horrified and impressed at the same time. Horrified because my carpet was apparently holding on to years of fur and dirt. Impressed because the dirty water tank looked like a horror movie, but my carpet looked brand new. And here's what I love. This isn't one of those back-breaking, awkward machines from the 90s. It's lightweight, maneuverable, and designed for actual humans to use, not bodybuilders. Filling the top water and solution tank? Super easy. You don't even have to remove it from the machine. Emptying the dirty water? Just as simple. No collapsing handles, no wrestling matches, no mess. Compared to my old Hoover, this thing is a revelation. I mean, 25 years with that Hoover, and not once did I see pet fur in the dirty tank. One use with this BISSELL and boom, it's like it vacuumed up an entire extra cat. And yes, that's equal parts gross and amazing. Let's talk speed. We're all busy, right? Carpets take forever to dry after cleaning, and no one wants to tiptoe around damp floors for hours. The ProHeat 2X Revolution has a 30-minute dry time with its Express Clean mode. That means you can clean before dinner and actually walk on your carpet before dessert. Now, I don't know about you, but that's game-changing. Another feature I appreciate is the hose and tool attachments, because carpets aren't the only victims of pet life. Sofas, stairs, pet beds, they all get their share of love. The included pet upholstery tool and tough stain tool let me tackle all of those areas without dragging a whole extra machine around. And bonus, the hose is detachable, so you don't have to lug it around if you're not using it. Smart, right? Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Plastic machine, lightweight, does it feel cheap? Here's my honest take. Yes, it's mostly plastic. But that's not a bug. It's a feature. It makes the whole thing lighter, easier to maneuver, and actually more practical. As an engineer, I get why BISSELL made the design choices they did. For example, the power button is on the base instead of the handle. At first I thought, that's odd. But then I realized it's actually more reliable, cheaper to build, and less likely to break down because you don't have wires running up and down the handle. And really, bending over to turn it on isn't exactly cardio. But the spray trigger? That's right on the handle where it belongs, and thank goodness for that. Unlike some other brands that just pour out solution constantly, looking at you, Shark, this one gives you control. You spray when you want, you stop when you want. Simple, effective, no wasted cleaner. Setup was painless too. I didn't even need to read the instructions, but I did because I didn't want to end up with a new carpet pattern called random blotches. Hot tap water, a little BISSELL solution, and off I went. And let me just say, the amount of dirt this thing pulled up made me question my life choices. Was my old machine actually cleaning, or was it just massaging the dirt deeper into the fibers? The BISSELL has different cleaning modes: Deep, Max, Express, so you can choose how intense you want the cleaning to be. Personally, I went deep mode, because after 8 cats, trust me, Express wasn't going to cut it. Cleaning the machine afterward is straightforward. Rinse the tanks, pop off the roller cover, use the included tool to get rid of stray fibers. It's not glamorous, but it's easy. Honestly, the only negative I can mention is that I wish the handle were just a tad longer. But hey, I'm 5'9", so maybe that's on me. Overall, I'd say the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus 3588F Upright Deep Cleaner is not just a cleaner, it's a problem solver. It's the difference between replacing carpets and reviving them. It's the difference between stressing over pet messes and actually enjoying your furry companions. It's light, it's powerful, it's designed for real life, and it saves you money by letting you do professional level cleaning yourself. And honestly, after using it, I get why 86% of reviewers love this machine. Count me in that camp. So if you're ready to finally take control of your carpets, say goodbye to pet odors, stains, and mystery messes, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution. Pet Pro Plus is the upgrade you didn't know you needed, but one night regret. Don't forget, you can find the full article with all the details, pros, cons, and more tips in the link in the description and in the first comment below. Trust me, your carpet and your nose will thank you.